In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accountant to your Freshbooks account. Whether you're a small business owner or just managing your finances, having an accountant can streamline your process and keep your books in top shape. Let's dive in, and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring your accountant will have the necessary access to get started seamlessly. First, head over to your Freshbooks dashboard. You'll want to take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This menu is your hub for navigation, and for our purposes, you'll want to click on Team Members. This is where all your current collaborators are listed and where you'll manage permissions for anyone you invite onto your team. Once you're on the My Team page, shift your focus to the top right corner. Here, you'll notice a bright green button labeled Add Team Member. This button is your gateway to inviting new people to collaborate with you, so go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll find yourself in a new section where you'll be prompted to enter some information about your accountant. In the provided fields, type in your accountant's name and then their email address. It's important to ensure that the email address is correct, since this is where Freshbooks will send the invitation. With their name and email address filled in, you'll see options under Role and Permissions. Look for the Invite button next to these options. Clicking this button is what sets the wheels in motion for giving them access. Next, you'll be taken to a fresh screen where you can specify your new team member's role. Since you're adding an accountant, you'll want to select the Accountant option from the list. This designation will give your accountant access to the tools they need without overwhelming them with features they won't need. Lastly, after making these selections, there's only one step left. Click the Send Invitation button. This is the final step in setting them up, and with a click, an email will be dispatched to your accountant's inbox. Your accountant will need to accept the invitation by following the link in the email for the setup to be completed. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding an accountant to Freshbooks. Once your accountant accepts the invitation, they'll be ready to help you manage your finances efficiently. This simple process allows you to easily keep track of who has access to your account, ensuring smooth and secure collaboration. So go ahead and invite your accountant and take one more step towards financial organization today.